Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you can hold your search bar and tap on Remove Widget pop-up right away. Lastly, confirm your choice by tapping on Remove Widget again. But you can also hold your device's screen and click on this red icon at the top right corner of your search bar. Then confirm your choice the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!